Earth observation is more important than ever to track change, protect resources, and make better decisions on the ground. But access to satellite data is still complex, expensive, and fragmented. The DOMINO-E project set out to change that. At its core is the Domino architecture, a modular software framework that brings structure and flexibility to Earth observation satellite ground segments. Instead of a rigid, monolithic system, this architecture uses modular dominoes, self-contained software components that can be freely combined, reused, and scaled. Each domino adds a specific capability, from user request to mission tasking and booking and secure data processing. DOMINO-E has developed 3 fully compliant dominoes. The Federation domino distributes observation requests across multiple missions. The mission booking domino automates how satellites connect with ground stations. And the user access domino supports non-expert users to get the data they need. Together, these dominoes demonstrate what the architecture enables: more open, responsive, and user-friendly Earth observation. For operators, that means reduced costs and faster integration. For users, easier access to high-quality satellite data. And for industry and SMEs, a level playing field to innovate, collaborate, and scale. DOMINO-E helps Europe take the next step, from isolated systems to a connected, competitive Earth observation ecosystem.